In this problem, we're going to divide an exponential expression by a radical expression. To do that, the first thing, just like the multiplication problem, I'm going to convert them both into radical form. So I have 8 square root of 54 x to the 5th over 4 square root of 3x cubed. Next thing I want to do is I'm going to divide the individual parts, like the coefficients. I have an 8 and a 4. I can divide those. These radicals have the same roots, so I can divide those also. So 8 divided by 4 is 2, and I'm going to kind of leave that out separate, times, and I'm going to actually divide them so that my fraction goes away. 54 divided by 3 gives me 18. It's still underneath the square root. X to the 5th over x cubed. I have 5 x's on top, 3 on the bottom. 3 cancel out. I'm left with 2 on top. So I have the square root of 18x squared. Now I'm looking for a number that goes into 18 that's a perfect square, so I could take the square root of it. So I could split 18 up into 9 times 2, or 2 times 9, x squared, which is the same as the square root of 2 times 3 squared times x squared. Now if I take the square root of the individual parts, we have this 2 on the outside, times square root of 2, can't take the square root of 2 evenly, take the square root of 3 squared, just gives me a 3, take the square root of x squared, just gives me a x, square root of 2. And remember, if this is even, this is a 2 right now, we have to take the absolute value of our variables. So we have 2 times 3 gives me a 6, absolute value of x, square roots of 2. So this is your final answer, 6, absolute value of x, root 2.